In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a Chrome text using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the canvas where you would like to put the Chrome text onto. Now, type in the text that you would like to edit. Once you're done, right-click on the text layer and select Blending Options. Here, I will change the color overlay and enable the bevel and emboss. Here, adjust the settings to your liking. In this tutorial, I will set the style to inner bevel, technique to smooth, direction to up, and change the settings for the depth, size, and soften. In the shadings panel, I will set the angle to 90 degrees and the altitude to 30 and enable the Use Global Light option. I will also change the glass contour and disable the anti-aliased. I will also change the highlight mode and set its color to white, and I will adjust the opacity as well. For the shadow mode, I will set the color to the foreground color and change the blending mode and adjust the opacity. Here is the final settings that I have came up with. Now, enable satin. Here I will change the blending mode and set the color to white, and I will adjust the opacity as well as the angle. I also change the distance as well as the size and change the contour and make sure to enable the anti-aliased and disable the invert option. Here's the final settings. Now, for the final touch, you can add some noise to the image to make it look more retro. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.